How to turn off or on captions. On Disney Plus. Open the Disney Plus app on your phone computer or smart TV and sign in to your account. Choose a movie or TV show from the Disney Plus library and start playing it. Tap or click on the video screen so the playback controls become visible. Look at the corner of the screen to find the audio and subtitles option. Open the audio and subtitles menu to view the available settings. Find the captions or subtitles section inside the menu. Look through the list of subtitle languages provided for the video. Select a language if you want to turn captions on while watching. Choose the off option in the subtitles section. If you want to turn captions off, exit the audio and subtitles menu after making your selection. Continue watching the video while the new caption setting is applied. Check the screen during playback to make sure the captions are turned on or off, as you prefer. Thank you for watching.